So I hear like a lot of people, other realtors, they keep asking you like, oh my God, how did you do that?
Yeah.
So does that make you feel in a way proud of what you have achieved so far?
Yeah, it does. And I just tell everyone I have a secret weapon, and that's you. And I just don't tell no one who it is. Sorry,
Keep
I
it
keep
yourself.
it to myself.
What about me? I need more business.
I know.
Just joking. But I guess like if someone would ask you like, well, why should I hire Marcilla? What was something that you get, I guess like you love working with me, and why others should hire me?
So the good thing about it, your patience. That's one. You'll always keep on telling me, I told you this, I told you this. I go, yeah, I know, but it takes a little time for me to absorb that information. So what we end up doing was we have a shared drive. She gives me some homework. I gotta do the homework, follow the steps. The more you practice, the better you become.
We also do shooting days, which is so helpful. So
Yeah.
I can teach you how to do it better, come up with great ideas. Actually, today is one of those days.
Yeah, we made
Did a lot of content.
Content video, and she showed me what to do some things, and the more I kept on doing it,
The more you can do it by yourself.
yeah, more comfortable. Will I end up getting rid of Marcy? I don't think so, because I don't have time to post social media stuff, and slowly she's already doing some of that for me.
So the goal is to basically not just help you make content, but make it easier. So you put less work, less effort for basically it takes you maybe 1 hour to make, let's say 5 to even 8 pieces of content, and then we can repurpose it in so many different ways that you have content for almost like 2 months.